Hey everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, and this is where I show you recipes that will help you achieve and maintain healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. And you can see that I really do use this book by the stains on the cover and the dog ears. Today's recipe actually is not in my book. It came from a suggestion from Marie. You know, I got a lot of wonderful emails from you guys for episode 157 of Weight Loss Wednesday, the Desert Date Shake. And Marie wrote and said, I really love the flavor, but I would prefer this as an ice cream. Can I just make the shake and put it in an ice cream maker and make ice cream? Well, Marie, I'm sorry, I don't know, because I no longer have an ice cream maker. I used to have one when I moved to the desert. I got rid of a lot of things. But I'm going to show you a way that I figured out how to do it. I'm wondering if it would work in a commercial ice cream machine, because a lot of times you need like something kind of high fat to make it all creamy. So, you know, definitely try it, Marie, and get back to me if it works. But here's how I make it. We make a lot of desert date shakes, and if you make any recipe over and over, why not measure out the spices in advance so that it's very easy to make it? So this is our one serving of desert date shake spices. So what you're going to do is make episode 157, make a whole serving of desert date shake, and then you're going to freeze it. And I recommend this size of silicone ice cube trays. You can look at my Amazon store if you particularly like these. Different stores will have them. And one shake recipe makes 2 sets of ice cubes. You want to freeze them until very solid. And then what you do is when they're ready, you can see nice and frosty, very easy to get out. You just kind of twist it, and all the little cubes will come out. There you go. I love silicone things because you could actually just use these sort of as a fudgicle type thing, or just a little yummy little treat if you didn't have a Champion juicer. Now, Champion juicer, in my opinion, makes the creamiest ice cream of all the machines. I've either owned them all at one time or tried them all like at culinary schools or places I've taught. And you know, the Champion is unparalleled. I know it's expensive, but it does last. You can use it to mill grains. You can use it to make nut butters. It's a really, really good machine. And another trick when using the Champion is to freeze the blade. Always keep that blade in the freezer, and it will make the creamiest ice creams. What I'm doing now with the desert date shake recipe, you can also do with my eggnog recipe, and then make eggnog ice cream. You can do it with the pumpkin pie pudding that I showed you once, and make pumpkin pie ice cream. So once you have your little cubes out, you'll turn the machine on, and you will load the little shaft with the cubes. And there you have it. Honestly, this is the most delicious ice cream you'll ever have. We were playing pickleball for a couple hours, and I invited the neighbors who don't even eat like this over, and they thought it was the best ice cream they ever had. So thank you so much, Marie, for the suggestion and the inspiration. And thanks for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I truly believe you can have both the health and the body you so richly deserve. Take care. This is amazing.